Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi A1 1.4 TFSI CoD Black Edition Sportback. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with a manual transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Daytona grey pearl effect paint. To start off with, then you have your Xenon Plus headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5V spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the Daytona grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black fine nappa leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also has the Bose sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls and buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 42,974 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your external media connectivity, which allows you to listen to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with the navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey that you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. And you also have front and rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you can easily adjust temperature, airflow as well as airflow direction by adjusting the dials accordingly. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on Audi A1 1.4 TFSI CoD Black Edition Sportback that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.